How you doing? I hope you're all well. It's Wally here from Channel Shacks. In today's video we'll be tinting the headlight using this purple headlight film which we've got from eBay. I thought we'll get it to try it out, see what it's like. It was less than £10 for a roll of film, which is enough to do the pair of headlights and the fog lights as well. So we're going to be trying it dry, but just in case, we've got our slip solution and our tack solution, also the PPF squeegee in case we need to try it wet. Right, let's get to it. The surrounding area has already been cleaned using 70% IPA, and I should have masked around the area just to lower the energy level. That way the film doesn't stick, you just easily slide it off. But unfortunately we don't have any masking tape left, but we'll just have to make do with what we've got. Right, this purple film here from eBay, and that's it. We'll try it out. It's already been cut to size, well, cut down, and that's what it looks like. Right. Get my squeegee ready, the squeegee here. I've been feeling around, I don't think it's got a protective cap on it. It doesn't really feel tacky where I need to apply it wet, but we'll see. Well, just need to watch my fingerprints behind the tint. Always put the rubbish in your bag, don't leave it lying around. It is quite a thick film. There's a couple of bits where I lifted up to reposition. It looks like the adhesive wanting to come away from the film. Right, we'll make a relief cut, that way it'll be easier for us. leaf cut. I can't remember where I set my knife. Oh, got there.
Well, maybe we do have a protective layer. It's that hard to get to until I've seen it at the bottom. Right, I'll cut it to shape and I'll share my thoughts with you on the eBay tint and let you know how I feel about it.
Right, that's it all done. You see, that's not got the purple tint on it, whereas that has. That's the difference. Would I recommend it? I probably wouldn't if you haven't tried tinting your headlights before. It is quite a hard film to work with. It's pretty thick. But that's my thoughts on the eBay tint. But I'll put a link in the description below if you want to give it a try. If you like this content and you want more wrapping detailing content in the future, please help this channel by giving the video a like and a subscribe, and I hope to see you on the next one.